HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us transform score distributions into sample mean distributions. Examples. Here we have a distribution of how much time users spend on Facebook on average per day. As we can see, the distribution is positively skewed. Most people spend a small amount of time per day, but there are quite a few people who spend large amounts of their day on Facebook. With a sample size of 16, the sample mean distribution in red is added to the display, with the score distribution in black. The red sample mean distribution is much skinnier, which means the standard error is much smaller than the standard deviation. In fact, the standard error of the sample mean distribution, red line, is 4 times smaller than the standard deviation, black line, because the square root of the sample size of 16 equals 4. Notice that the sample mean distribution looks very close to normal. Here we have a distribution of verbal fluency, which is a measure of how long it takes to complete a verbal task. The distribution is bimodal because it involves women and women are a bit faster at the task and can complete the task in less time. Here we have added the sample mean distribution in red to the score distribution in black. The red sample mean distribution is 8 times skinnier because 8 is the square root of 64, which is the sample size. Notice that the sample mean distribution is normal. Here's a distribution of the number of problems solved on a test. The test was poorly designed because many items were too easy, and everyone got those items correct. Also, there were many items that were too hard, and nobody got those items correct. The result is a non-asymptotic distribution. Here we have added the sample mean distribution in red to the score distribution in black. As we can see, the red sample mean distribution is 4 times skinnier because 4 is the square root of the sample size of 16. The sample mean distribution is also very close to normal. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.